Hi everyone! Today we're drawing all three K-pop demon hunters step by step and easy to follow. Grab your marker and let's start.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why, hiding by the
demon hunters. Tell me in the comments which one you like most, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.